When it comes to woodworking, achieving a smooth finish is a crucial step that speaks to the quality of your craftsmanship. Sanding belts are indispensable tools for this, offering efficiency and consistency for a variety of surfaces. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a DIY enthusiast, having the right sanding belt can make all the difference. In this video, we'll explore 7 exceptional sanding belts that cater to different needs, ensuring your projects are finished to perfection. Let's dive in. Number 1. TPmax 4x 36-inch Sanding Belt Pack, 12 pieces. The TPmax 4x 36-inch Sanding Belt Pack is a versatile choice for woodworkers who need reliable sanding belts for various projects. This 12-piece set includes belts with a range of grits from coarse to fine, making it ideal for everything from aggressive material removal to detailed finishing work. Each belt is constructed from premium aluminum oxide grain, known for its durability and consistent performance. The sturdy X-weight cloth backing ensures that the belts withstand the rigors of heavy-duty use while maintaining their integrity over time. This combination of materials provides smooth and even sanding across wood surfaces, eliminating imperfections efficiently. The belts feature a precision-engineered joint that minimizes seam bumps, ensuring a seamless sanding experience. This design enhances the overall effectiveness of the belts, allowing you to achieve professional results with ease. Additionally, these belts are compatible with most 4x 36-inch belt sanders, adding to their versatility. Whether you're sanding hardwood, softwood, or composite materials, the TPmax sanding belts deliver reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Their wide grit range and robust construction make them an excellent choice for any woodworking project.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. MOVIRON Replacement Knife Sharpener Sanding Belt. The MOVIRON Replacement Knife Sharpener Sanding Belt offers a specialized solution for sharpening and fine-tuning woodworking tools. These belts are designed to provide precision and durability, making them a valuable addition to any workshop. Crafted with premium Zirconia alumina, the MOVIRON belts deliver exceptional cutting power and heat resistance. This ensures a longer lifespan and consistent performance, even when used on tough materials. Their flexibility makes them particularly effective for sharpening curved or contoured blades, a critical feature for woodworking knives and chisels. Each belt in the set features a strong joint and tear-resistant backing, promoting smooth operation and reducing the likelihood of snapping during use. The belts are compatible with most knife sharpening systems, offering versatility for various tools. Additionally, their grit assortment allows for both coarse sharpening and fine polishing, ensuring your blades are honed to perfection. For woodworkers who value sharp, reliable tools, the MOVIRON sanding belts are a must-have. Their durability, precision, and adaptability make them an excellent choice for maintaining your tools and enhancing your craft. Number 3. Abrasticle 1/2x18 Zirconia Sanding Belts for Metal. While the Abrasticle 1/2x18 Zirconia sanding belts are designed with metalwork in mind, their durability and versatility make them suitable for woodworking applications as well. These belts are crafted with Zirconia grain, which is renowned for its high cutting efficiency and extended lifespan. The narrow 1/2 width is ideal for detail work, allowing you to sand intricate shapes and hard-to-reach areas with precision. This makes the Abrasticle sanding belts an excellent choice for finishing curved wooden surfaces or working on tight corners. Their heavy-duty polyester backing adds to their durability, ensuring they remain intact under demanding conditions. These belts are available in a variety of grits, making them suitable for everything from material removal to detailed finishing. Their compatibility with most 1/2x18 belt sanders adds to their appeal, providing flexibility for different projects. For woodworkers who tackle detailed or complex designs, the Abrasticle sanding belts deliver exceptional precision and longevity. Their high-quality construction ensures smooth, consistent results, making them a reliable tool for achieving professional finishes. Number 4. BOSHCRAFT 3x21-inch Sanding Belts for Knife Sharpening. The BOSHCRAFT 3x21-inch sanding belts are a premium choice for woodworkers who prioritize sharp and well-maintained tools. These belts are specifically designed for knife sharpening, but their versatility makes them an excellent option for woodworking applications as well. Each belt is constructed with high-quality aluminum oxide, offering a blend of durability and consistent performance. The precision-jointed seams ensure smooth operation, reducing the risk of bumps or interruptions during use. This design is particularly advantageous for achieving uniform results on wooden surfaces. The grit assortment in this pack allows users to tackle a wide range of tasks, from coarse sharpening to fine polishing. This flexibility makes the BOSHCRAFT belts a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit, especially for tasks that require sharp edges and precise finishes. Whether you're sharpening tools or sanding intricate wooden surfaces, the BOSHCRAFT sanding belts deliver exceptional performance and reliability. Their robust construction and precision-focused design make them an indispensable tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. Number 5. SATC 3x18 Sanding Belts 20 PCS for sanding. The SATC 3x18 Sanding Belt set is an all-inclusive solution for woodworkers seeking efficiency and variety. This pack includes 20 belts in a range of grits, from coarse 40 to fine 400, making it suitable for all stages of sanding. These belts are crafted from premium aluminum oxide, ensuring consistent performance and a long lifespan. The durable X-weight cloth backing provides excellent tear resistance, even during heavy-duty use. This combination of materials guarantees smooth and even sanding, whether you're working on hardwood or softwood. One of the standout features of these belts is their precision-jointed seams, which minimize vibrations and promote stability. This ensures a smoother sanding experience, reducing fatigue and improving overall results. The belts are compatible with most 3x 18-inch belt sanders, offering versatility for various tools and projects. For woodworkers who require a comprehensive sanding solution, the SATC sanding belts deliver on quality, variety, and performance. Their robust construction and wide grit range make them a reliable choice for achieving professional-grade finishes. Number 6. SACKORANGE 130-inch Silicon Carbide Sanding Belts. The SACKORANGE 130-inch Silicon Carbide Sanding Belts are designed for precision and durability, making them an excellent choice for detail-oriented woodworking tasks. These belts are made from silicon carbide, a material known for its sharpness and consistent cutting ability. Their 1-inch width is perfect for intricate sanding tasks, such as shaping edges or finishing small wooden components. The belt's flexibility allows them to conform to curved or irregular surfaces, ensuring smooth and even results. The durable backing material enhances their lifespan, even under frequent use. With a variety of grits included in the pack, these belts cater to both aggressive material removal and fine finishing. Their compatibility with most 130-inch belt sanders adds to their convenience, making them a versatile tool for any woodworking project. For woodworkers who demand precision and reliability, the SACKORANGE sanding belts are an outstanding choice. Their high-quality construction and adaptability make them a valuable addition to any workshop. Number 7. POWERTEC 4x 24-inch Sanding Belts 18 PK. The POWERTEC 4x 24-inch sanding belts set offers a professional-grade solution for large-scale sanding projects. This pack includes 18 belts with a range of grits, ensuring you have the right tool for every stage of your work. These belts are made from premium aluminum oxide grain, delivering exceptional durability and consistent performance. The heavy-duty backing material ensures the belts withstand rigorous use, making them suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The precision-engineered joints minimize seam bumps, ensuring smooth operation and reducing wear on your sander. This design enhances the overall effectiveness of the belts, allowing you to achieve clean and uniform finishes on large wooden surfaces. For tasks that require efficiency and reliability, the POWERTEC sanding belts deliver unmatched performance. Their robust construction and wide grit selection make them an excellent investment for any woodworking project. With these top 7 sanding belts, you can achieve smooth and flawless finishes on your woodworking projects. Whether you're tackling intricate details or large surfaces, these options offer the durability, precision, and versatility you need. Invest in the right sanding belts and elevate the quality of your craftsmanship with every project.